Welcome students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to calculate mode for grouped data. In my previous videos I have discussed how to calculate mean and median for group data. You can check it out from the link in the description box. Here we can see the formula of mode for grouped data. This is the formula, and in the below part you can see here the description of the formula. So let's look at this example. This is an example. Here we have grouped data divided into 5 classes. The first step to calculate the mode is find out the modal class. Now what is the modal class? As we know that mode is the most frequently occurred data point. So in a data, the observed point which occurs most frequently, that is the mode of that data in discrete in ungrouped case. So for grouped data case, the modal class will be the class which has the highest frequency. So if we look at this table, then the highest frequency we received is 12. So here our model class is 20 to 30. This is our model class. Now L is the lower limit of model class. So we already detected our model class which is 20 to 30. So the lower limit of model class is 20 here. L is 20. Next is FM. FM is the frequency of model class. So frequency of model class is 12. Next is F1, which is the frequency of the class before the modal class. So here we have to take the frequency of that class which is exactly before the modal class. Here our modal class is 20 to 30. So the class exactly before the modal class is this 10 to 20. So the frequency of this class is 8. So F1 will be 8. Next is F2. Similarly, F2 is the frequency of the class after the modal class. Here also we have to consider the class which is just after the modal class. Here it is 30 to 40 and the frequency of this class is 7. So F2 is 7. And age. What is age? Age is the class width. How to calculate the class width? The class width is the upper limit minus the lower limit. The formula of age is upper limit minus lower limit. Here the upper limit is, what is the upper limit here? It is 30 and the lower limit is 20. So age is 10. So here age is 10. So now we have to put all these values into the this formula. So if we put all the values in the formula becomes L is here 20 plus Fm is 12 minus F1 which is 8 divided by 2 into Fm. So 2 into 12 minus F1 which is 8 minus F2 which is 7 into H, and the value of H is 10. Now we have to simplify this portion. It will be 24 minus 8 minus 7, that is minus of 15 into 10, that is 20 plus 4 by 9 into 10. Together it will be 4.44, that is 24.44. So this is the mode of our data, which is 24.44. So these are the steps to calculate mode for group data. First we need to detect the modal class, then we have to find out all these values, that is L, Fm, F1 and F2 and H, and then we have to put all these values into the formula of mode. So it is very easy to calculate. I hope all of you have understood that how to calculate mode for group data. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.